That slick shit.
I know how to fix this. I'm the mechanic. Hard head, nigga head, open it soft. I provide these services, we breaking them off. I'm a familiar face from the land of the lost. Used to be a worker bee, now nigga a boss. It's like every now and then I'm back being a mechanic. I split a nigga head, I'm a grease monkey with it. My mama told her baby boy the Lord gon' bless us. Then dope bought her shit, the food stamps couldn't get us. Man, they don't understand, we was just trying to make it. But where I'm from, when you want shit, you got.
Yeah, I was gonna slide the belt on, but it won't let me get it in there.